Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I just bought this micro excavator. It's an AGT L12, so I want to make a quick video about it, showing some of the features. Get to this side and show the L12. This is very similar to the AGT H12 and QH12. I think mostly the same, it just has some updates. One of them being this rear hatch that opens with two gas struts. Also, it has a switch-operated oil cooler here. I'll show you the switch. Right there. Turn the power on. I bought this brand new from Miedema RepoCast auctions here in Michigan. It had 0 hours on it at the time. It shows now 3.6 hours. And 3 of those hours are because I forgot to shut the power off. And the hour meter keeps running if you don't shut the power off. This has a Briggs & Stratton 13.5 horsepower engine in it. Hydraulic fluid level. Hydraulic fluid is located underneath this hatch. One of the other differences on the L12 versus the QH12 and the H12 machines are that the hydraulic lines run inside the boom, so they're not exposed until this hydraulic cylinder. It is plumbed for auxiliary, which I plan to get a hydraulic thumb kit for it, for picking up trees and branches. The paint quality is not very good. It looks nice, but it chips off really easy. So if you're going to buy one of these machines, I would probably get some touch-up paint. This was a brand new machine. I think it sat outside for some time though, so paint chips are rusting. I will clean that up at some point. It is very close to Husqvarna orange. As you can see here. So I've ordered some Husqvarna orange paint to touch up some of the blemishes and just keep it from rusting any further. I haven't used the machine very much, and I've never used an excavator prior to buying this, so I'm definitely learning. I bought it because I have a few acres and I have some property that I'm looking to clear a little bit and put a yard in. Actually, you can see it through this window here. There's a lot of skinny trees, uneven ground, and I'm going to put some grass in. I will still have plenty of privacy. All right, so the next thing you will see is me using the machine. All right, so I brought the machine to the back side of my house here. I'm going to attempt to move this pile of rotten wood over to this pile of rotten wood over here. I have this wood left over from when I had a wood stove. However, I've got natural gas now, so it just sits here. When I brought the machine out, I very carefully brought it down this hill, which is rather steep, and I'm not sure that that shows up on camera, but it did surprisingly well. It was only borderline sketchy feeling. All right, so here we go. I have no experience on excavators, so I am learning as I go here. All right, anyway, here we go. Alright, so my camera battery died. Whoops. I did accomplish moving the pile of wood from here to here. I think I got a little better as I went on, but for somebody who's never used an excavator, there's a little bit of a learning curve. But I will get better as I go, and probably continue to post videos about this thing and other things. I'm going to attempt to ride it back up this hill that I came down. So, yeah, see you in a moment. All right, so I'm back in the garage now. I've got about 2 hours on the machine today. Some of it you saw in the video, and then some of it I didn't record. My initial impressions are really good. It seems very capable for as affordable and small it is. It seems to have a lot of power. It also seems like it could tip over fairly easy if you're not careful. I imagine that risk will lessen as I get better using the machine, but it was something I noticed today. But overall, really positive. I would recommend one of these to anyone. If you have some property, I can just think of a lot of uses. It has its faults. It's not the best quality, but I'm pretty impressed with it for what I paid for it. I'll be making more videos on it, so yeah, thanks for watching.